This Adam here. Wanted to give you a little sneak peek early on in a project we're on here in the Highlands. We're about 45 days into the project and we're about ready to drywall. And that's always super exciting for the client because once the walls go up, they really start to see the rooms and everything. But we're here on the outside because I wanted to talk about and give you a sneak peek of how we're going to integrate the old and the new together. The homeowner loved their old brick house, and we can't get that brick. It was actually, even though the house is 75 years old, the brick is much older than that because that brick was salvaged 75 years ago when the house was built. So there's nothing like it exactly today. Not only the color, but the texture when you're matching those things. So they've set the new addition back on the house so it'll complement the new house, and then they're going to integrate a lot of stone in to tie it into what a home here in the Highlands would have looked like 75 years ago. And this is a sneak peek of what it looks like today, and in about another month or two you guys can come back and see what it's actually looking like with brick and stone on it.